In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to WordPress. We'll be doing this through the WordPress.com dashboard by installing the Stripe payment plugin that works with WooCommerce. If you want to accept card payments on your WordPress site, this is a straightforward way to get started, and I'll walk you through exactly what to click, so the process feels simple and manageable. To begin, log into WordPress.com and go to your My Home area. This is your main dashboard, where you can manage your site settings, tools, and installed features. Starting from My Home makes it easier to navigate because all of your site management options are available from the left-hand menu. Once you're on the dashboard, look for plugins and click on it. This is where you can browse, install, and manage the add-ons that extend your WordPress site's functionality. Since Stripe payments require a plugin connection, this is the section you'll be using to set everything up. After that, use the search bar and type WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. Make sure you enter the name carefully so the correct plugin appears in the search results. This plugin is the one that allows your WordPress site, through WooCommerce, to connect with Stripe and process online payments securely. When you see WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway in the results, click on it to open the plugin page. This page gives you access to the installation or activation option, depending on your current plan and what features are available on your site. Take a moment here to confirm you've selected the correct plugin before moving on. Next, if your current plan supports it, click Connect. This option typically means you're ready to link the plugin and move forward with the setup. If you see this button, that usually indicates your site is already eligible to use the plugin without needing an additional upgrade step first. If you do not see Connect, the button may instead say Upgrade and Activate. In that case, click Upgrade and Activate. This means your current WordPress.com plan needs to be upgraded before the plugin can be used. Once that's done, you'll be able to continue with the plugin activation process and move toward connecting Stripe to your website. As a quick tip, always double check that you're installing the official WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway plugin so you avoid compatibility issues later. Also, if you're planning to accept live payments, make sure your WooCommerce store setup is already in place before moving ahead with payment configuration. And that's how to get started connecting Stripe to WordPress through the plugin section in WordPress.com.